Hey guys, my name is Shubhrato. I know many of you are looking to buy a new Wi-Fi router or you just want to upgrade your old router. So here I am back with another informative video for you guys, in which I am going to talk about the TP-Link Archer C6 AC1200 router. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so to be honest, this is the third router that I have bought, and when I was in school I bought my first router, which was the TP-Link TLWR720N, which had 150 Mbps transfer speed, and it worked pretty well most of the times, and till date I use it. So basically I need Wi-Fi in two places of my house, which are not so big, so the TP-Link router did a good job of keeping the signal strong. And I also bought the Mi Router 3C, which was seriously the worst router I have ever used in my life. It used to get reset automatically and also got disconnected very often. So again I switched back to the TP-Link router which I was using as a secondary in my other room. And then this router was also having some issues, like the connection was not stable and I had to restart it to make it work, so which was not pleasant at all. Then after researching a lot, I came across this TP-Link Archer C6 router, which was somewhat in my budget. And since I used one for the past 7 to 8 years, I didn't think much and ordered it via Flipkart for rupees 2250 rupees. And I think that's the best price you can get for this router. So it has been a month since I'm using it, and I'm happy to inform that it is the best in the price range, and let me tell you why. So the first thing is that it comes with dual bands, which means it can provide both 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz signals. 5 GHz is basically faster speed but lower range, and 2.4 GHz is the opposite, meaning it will give slightly lower speeds but the range will be very good. Next thing is the setup, which is pretty flawless and fast compared to other routers. You just have to plug in your WAN cable and it will directly take you to the setup page, which gets done in about a minute if you know what you are doing. Now let's talk about the most important thing about a router, which is the range, and trust me, it can cover a big house of 2000 square feet easily, or a 3 BHK equivalent. And of course the speed will decrease with more distance, but that is normal with all the routers. It does get heated up a little bit, but that's not an issue, and to be honest I think routers run for 24/7, so if possible sometimes give it a rest of 15 to 20 minutes, or when you are going out just turn it off. But even if it runs for all day all month, nothing serious really happens. Talking about the speeds, in 5 GHz band it can go up to 867 Mbps, and in 2.4 GHz band it will do up to 300 megabits per second. Hence the name is AC1200, because if you add up the 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz band speed, then it will sum up to 1200 megabytes. So it comes with the latest Wi-Fi security protocol, which is the WPA3, which provides more secure connection and which is a good thing in this price range. There are 4 antennas present in this router and it tremendously helps with the range. As I said, it can easily reach every corner of a 3 BHK house, so yeah, it does a good job. The MU-MIMO feature present on this router lets it serve multiple devices at once, hence all devices get their data faster and basically the Wi-Fi is used more efficiently. Talking about the ports, it has one WAN port, 4 LAN ports and a dedicated WPS button. Reset button is inside this hole, so you have to use a needle or something, and there is also the power on off button with a 12 volt power input. And there are much more software related features which I won't go into details because those are not very useful. Well, it sure is the best in this price range, but there are some things that I don't like, so I will go through them one by one. The first thing is that it takes around 30 seconds to boot up. The second thing is that it has slower speeds in the 2.4 GHz band compared to my previous router. So these are the things that you should know before buying, and you can buy it from the link given in the description, which will help the channel a little bit. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such content, and I will catch you guys in the next one.